Hey everybody, welcome to Fun Size Adventures. As always, I'm Mrjeffsmith, and today we're here at Branch Lake in Ellsworth, Maine, and we're going to do some underwater exploration as well as jump off some rocks and maybe dig in the sand. Well, alright everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, thanks for joining us today. Fun Size Adventures is our family vlog that's all about getting your kids active and outdoors and going on fun adventures as a family. Now today we've got the whole family. We're here at Branch Lake in Ellsworth, Maine. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's not quite as hot as it has been, but the water's nice and warm. And it's also a little bit windy, which is making us have some waves. We're gonna have a great time either way. We recently purchased these snorkel sets off Amazon.com. This black set is a kid's set and it comes with the mask and the snorkel. And then the blue set is for an adult and it comes with the mask, the snorkel, and fins. As you've seen in this video, they all worked out great. If you want to find out more about them, I'll include links to them in the description. All right, now let's head underwater. Peanut butter. Is that a good sandwich? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. I don't know if you can see it on here. But there's a bald eagle flying around up there. What do you got there, Eli? Yeah. A star. So they're so excited to go to the lake, and then we get here and all they want to do is eat the snacks we brought. But yeah, in the water it's nice and warm. When you're up here in the wind, it's chilly and you can't help but shiver. Trying to convince them to go back in the water. What's the baby report?
Eating all the time too. And he's...
Oh, you want to do it? We got some Teddy Graham on there. My tip for this week would be to start your kids young, introducing them to the water. Because they're going to be afraid at first, but sooner or later that fear will give way and they'll start learning how to swim, and it'll just open up a whole new world for them to explore. Alright everybody, it was a little bit windy and that made the kids get cold. It was so nice and warm in the water, but I could not convince them to just stay in the water. But we had a fun time. We did some exploring underwater. We saw a fish. We saw a bald eagle up in the sky. We saw a chipmunk trying to steal food. I don't know if we got that on camera, but we saw it.
Yeah.
We saw those ducks. Hopefully we got some cool shots of those. We saw a lot of cool things, did our exploring around, and tested out Ethan's new snorkel and mask. And I got to do some scuba diving. I don't like being under the water. It bothers me, but that's one of the reasons I want to get into it, is because it makes me, it's like a fear I want to try to overcome. So did a little bit of that. Definitely went out a little bit further than I normally do. And yeah. But anyway, we're going to head home, warm up, have some hot drinks, I think. But hey, the adventure does not have to stop here. If you want to go on another adventure with us and go explore a stream we went kayaking in, click on this video over here. Or if you want to see the zip line we just set up in our backyard and learn more about that, then click on this video over here. See you there.